Hello and welcome to 19 Swansea Road in Penllergaer. This 4-bedroom detached property has just been renovated to a very high standard indeed. Follow me in, take a look for yourself. Internally has a very good layout with a fantastic living space with 2 reception rooms, large conservatory to the rear, newly fitted kitchen, utility room and ground floor bathroom. We have 4 bedrooms, 1 being on the ground floor, 3 being on the first, as well as the shower room as well. And behind the garage we've got an added bonus which you'll see in the video. If you're interested in buying in this area, maybe you know somebody who is, there's a friend or family out there needing to be close to the M4 corridor and local amenities, this is absolutely perfect. With ample parking and a great footprint, why not? I'm Dav's Spear, this is my latest listing. I look forward to speaking to you all very soon.